everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica and today I have the final update for the painting club. This is a PANtastic Ladies collab. It was created by Charlotte and it was a rolling project which kind of kicked my butt, but it was good. It was good. I was able to move a bunch of stuff out, but let's get into this. Started June 1st, ends November 1st, so we have just under a month and I had to roll new stuff in. But before that, everyone that has joined in is going to be linked down below if you want to go check them out. And I need to get into my empties. I'm very excited. I'm very excited. It seems to be the same categories that I finish over and over again. Surprise, surprise. And if you hear that noise, my neighbor is having his tree cut down, so you may hear the chainsaw, and I apologize for that, but you know, gotta film when you can, so hopefully it's not too disturbing. They've been doing it for like 3 days, 4 days now, something like that, because they're having multiple trees done. You know, girl's gotta film, or yeah, girl's gotta film when she's gotta film, so the show must go on. All right, my empties. Let's see, the first one was for the brain, of course, because I've finished quite a few in that category already, and that is a multi-purpose product, and I had knocked over everything. The Philosophy Pure Grace shampoo, bath, and shower gel, and you can also use this as a bubble bath. It is done. I enjoyed this. I have Pure Grace, Amazing Grace, and there was one other one, but I can't remember what it is right now. But it is done, and I am happy to have that done, and I think I have a full size of that still, so it won't be missed. The next one is the Athlete, and that is a product for fast-paced days or days that you're going to gym, either one. I had the Ulta Beauty Matte Setting Spray. Love this. I have more of them. I just actually replaced it because I am on my last one. I started another one when I finished this, and you know, that's the one I use. It works well, and when they run their buy two get two sale, you can't beat the price. The last one is a Criminal, and that is a product that makes you feel bad to the bone, because this is a family channel. For me, it's always going to be like wild makeup or fragrance. Fragrance always just kind of sets my mood. And this one is the Bulgari, I don't know which one it is. It's the men's, and I really liked it. I mean, I liked it so much. I would consider actually buying it again for myself, which is kind of crazy. It's kind of unisex, but I don't know. But I'm the girl that likes to wear Fahrenheit for men because I'm weird. Like, before I even met my husband, I wore that. Yes, I'm a strange girl, but this is really good. And if you are looking for something for your man, yeah, that one's really nice. All right, so the two products that are the bane of my existence in this project is the basket case, and that's a product that is crazy and out of your comfort zone. I'm actually wearing it today, though it doesn't look like I used a whole lot. It is this gray silver eyeshadow. Adjust camera. I actually have it on my lower lash line. Finally, I wore it once. I'm supposed to be hitting pan on that by the finale next month. Good luck with that, Jess. Really, good luck with that. And the Princess product, it's a pretty or sparkly product. So I have these nail gems, rhinestones, whatever you want to call them. I don't use these too often. They're huge. They are absolutely huge. I don't know that I'm going to have these done by the next update, and I don't know that I'm going to hit pan on this bad guy for the next update. I don't know. I'm going to say I probably won't, but you know, it is what it is. I've already finished 8 products in this project, and for 6 categories, I don't think I'm doing that bad. I just happen to have 2 categories that I suck at, but that's okay. You can't win them all. So I need to replace 3 products, which is crazy since this is the last update and next month is the finale, but I'm going to do it anyway, and I'm going to do it with products that I hopefully can finish in the next month. So for the brain, it is a smart or multi-purpose product. I am using this Deep Potted Profusion eyeshadow. I want to say this color is called Khaki, but I can use this in my brows. I can use it as an eyeshadow. I can use it as like a bronzer. That's how I intend to use it. So hopefully I can multi-purpose the heck out of this and it will be done by the next update. Crossing my fingers for that. For the athlete, it is something for fast-paced days or going to the gym. I chose the fast-paced days because I'm a mom and I have fast-paced days on a regular basis. So I chose this really easy to use Deep Potted mineral powder. It's like the foundation powder. This is from the Jane Iredale medium sampler palette, and yeah, I want to finish that, and I think I can because it's not like a super thick pan and it's got decent pan on it now. So yeah, I don't have to do foundation and powder with this one. It's just kind of all in one, and that's why, you know, it's for a fast-paced day. I can slap that on, put a little blush, lip gloss, and mascara, and I can be out the door. Last one is my Criminal, which is something that makes you feel bad to the bone. And I have another men's fragrance because that's how I roll. This is the Giorgio Armani, if I could speak, Acqua di Gio. And it's just a little guy. It was from a gift set that my husband got years and years and years ago and will never, ever, ever use. So I'm going to try it. I don't think I've ever smelled this one. Oh, it's not bad. It's definitely masculine, but not in a very heavy way. So yeah, I'll be okay with this one. Hopefully I can get that done. I doubt that I'm going to get the nail stuff done, and I doubt that I'm going to hit pan on this, but it's possible. It is possible. If I really focus on it, I probably could do it. And that's if I focus on it. You guys know how I feel about silver and gray and blue. They might as well all be lumped together for me. But this I'm sure I can get done. This I'm sure I can get done. And most likely I can get this eyeshadow done. So if I can finish that, those three, that would put me at 11 for the end, for the finale. I think I could give myself a pat on the back if I can do that. I'll be good with that. If you are doing this project, let me know how you were doing down in the comments. If you aren't doing this project, let me know why you didn't do it. No, I'm kidding. I'm totally kidding. I don't have a good question of the day. What's your favorite color? Just in general, not for clothing, not for makeup or anything like that. Your just favorite color. And tell me why it is your favorite color. All right, I'm going to wrap this up. Everyone that has joined in is going to be down there. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.